Valentine's Day is a celebration of love and affection, but it's also a prime time for cybercriminals to take advantage of those looking for romance. As we approach February 14th, it's crucial to be vigilant and protect your heart and your personal information from potential threats. Allure of love, phishing scams. Phishing scams often ramp up around Valentine's Day, with hackers sending seemingly innocent e-cards or links to romantic gifts. These emails may appear to be from legitimate sources, but clicking on them can lead to malicious websites designed to steal your personal data. Always verify the sender's email address and look for any signs of phishing, such as poor grammar or urgent requests for personal information. Catfishing, a digital masquerade. Catfishing, where someone creates a fake online identity to deceive others, is particularly common on dating apps and social media platforms. These imposters can build what feels like a genuine connection, only to exploit it for financial gain. Be cautious when someone you've met online quickly professes their love or asks for money. Conduct a reverse image search of their profile picture to check for authenticity. Secure your digital love letters. In this digital age, our expressions of love often come in the form of texts, emails, or direct messages. It's essential to ensure these communications are secure and private. Use encrypted messaging apps and avoid sharing sensitive information over unsecured networks. The heartbreak of data breaches. Retailers see a surge in sales as people buy gifts for their loved ones. Unfortunately, this also means a higher risk of data breaches, where personal and financial information can be compromised. Shop with reputable retailers, use secure payment methods, and monitor your bank statement for any unauthorized transactions. Of yourself. Update your passwords. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect yourself online is by regularly updating your passwords. Use complex passwords that are hard to guess and different for each account. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Love wisely online. This Valentine's Day, while you're searching for love or celebrating it, remember to stay cyber safe. By being aware of the risks and taking proactive steps to protect your information, you can avoid the heartache of being hacked. Remember, the key to a safe online experience is awareness and caution. Enjoy the season of love, but keep your digital life secure. Happy Valentine's Day. Stay safe, stay secure, and even though love is in the air, let's ensure that cybersecurity is too. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.